Hey everyone, this is Nick here at IndySoft, ready to show you guys a little quick tip. So what we're going to be talking about today is email layouts. If we go into Layout Builder, for those of you who have never set these up, they can be really great for just saving yourself some time typing out emails. So if we go in here under email layouts, I've created just a stock email layout for you. Here is our standard that comes with the software, and all it is really just going to be showing you some basic information: who, what, when, and the action taken care of in sort of an IndySoft alert message. So what this would be used for is typically an alarm. You can always go to Indy Alarm in our program directory to play around with something like this. But what I want to talk about today is sending a certificate through an event. So if we close this out and we go up in here into our email layout, I just have this fake sort of email created here where we have a logo over here, we have an address, and if we come down we have greetings, type here for email content, and then some kind of signature right here. So if we close this out and dive into workflow configuration, let's take a look at where we can utilize these layouts. So in here, we go on down to step 8 under report rules, and under email distribution for certificates, we can either create a new one, or if you already have one in here, you can take a look at it, open that up. And then what we can do is create a rule name, an email subject line, so that the subject line is the same every time your customers receive something. And we could go in here and create just text. But what we're going to do today is select from our email layouts in Layout Builder. And so here you're able to see that drop-down list, right? So we would just select email layout, come down here, create any sort of email to or specific email address. Maybe even we create an equipment rule, so this only fires under certain scenarios. And then we would just close this, save this, and fire this calibration event off, and it would automatically email this email layout. All right, you guys have a great day. Thanks. Bye.